Hi, how's it going? I'm Bing. Nice to meet you. In this course, we are going to learn how to make plural form in Chinese. First, we separate nouns to two groups, human noun and non-human noun. We'll start with non-human nouns because non-human nouns do not have plural form. Here's the example. One apple in Chinese is 一个苹果，一个苹果。When we have more than one apple, we need to use apples plural form, apples. Well, in Chinese, you can see the word 苹果 keep same. That's because non-human Chinese nouns do not have plural form. Now, please pause the video. Try to say 4 apples and 7 apples in Chinese. 4 apples, 4个苹果. 7 apples, 7个苹果. Got it? Now, we start to learn human nouns. Usually, we add 们 after human nouns to make plural form. Pay attention. When we add 们 after the human nouns, the 们 doesn't have tone. So listen careful. 我们你们他们我们你们他们 Now, here's another example. In Chinese, we call big sister 姐姐姐姐 Suppose you have 1, 2, 3 big sisters. You can say 姐姐们姐姐们姐姐们 Here's a special rule. If the sentence already has the plural meaning for same noun, we cannot add 们. Here's the example. 3 big sisters. 3个姐姐. The word 3个 is used to tell people how many big sisters you have. The plural meaning of 姐姐 is expressed by 3个. So, we cannot add 们 after 姐姐. Get the point? Now, please pause the video thinking. They are my sisters. We need use A. 她们是我的姐姐 or B. 她们是我的姐姐们. The correct answer is A. 她们是我的姐姐 because in this sentence, 她们 and 姐姐 are the same person. 她们 already expressed the plural meaning of 姐姐, so we cannot add 们. Now, you know how to make plural form in Chinese. In next course, we'll learn some words can help express plural meanings. So see you later.